Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make yummy Kadaai paneer. So the speciality of this recipe is the masala that we are going to add. We are going to dry roast and freshly grind the masala that we are going to use for this recipe. Come on, let's get started. First for the masala, let's dry roast the ingredients. So to a Kadaai, I'm adding 4 red chillis, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, half a teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 cloves and 2 cardamom. I'm going to saute this on medium flame for 1 minute. So now exactly after a minute I'm going to turn off the flame, and after it cools down, let's grind this. To the same kadai I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil, and after it heats up I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and I'm going to saute this until the raw smell from the ginger garlic paste goes away. And now I'm going to add 2 finely chopped onions. Ensure that the onions are finely chopped. Saute this for around 2 minutes until it turns golden brown. And exactly after 2 minutes they are golden brown, and now it's time to add tomatoes. So I'm adding 2 tomatoes. You can grind this into paste using mixie. I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it sit for around 2 minutes until the tomatoes are well cooked. And now after 2 minutes our tomatoes and onions are well cooked, and now it's time to add all the masalas. I'm adding salt as required, the ground masala that we have freshly prepared, and a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder to give the color. And now mix it well. I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of water so that the masalas will not burn easily. And after a minute, I'm going to add 1 capsicum which I have sliced into cubes, and also adding 200 grams of paneer which I have chopped into the same size. Mix it well along with the gravy, and then close it with a lid and let this cook for around 2 minutes until all the masalas get inside the paneer and also the capsicum that we have added. And exactly after 2 minutes, this is how I want. This is the exact consistency. If you want it even more thicker, you can also cook this for again 2 minutes. And now before we turn off the flame, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of fresh cream. This is optional, but if we add fresh cream, it will balance all the flavors. And also adding a pinch of kasturi methi. Mix it well. Mix it until all the ingredients are combined and turn off the flame. And that's it. Our delicious and yummy Kadaai paneer is now ready. It's time to serve. Our yummy Kadaai paneer is now ready. It's time to taste. Yummy, yummy, yummy. As soon as we bite into it, we can feel the freshness of the masala that we have added. I can still feel each and every ingredient, that is the coriander seeds, cardamom seeds that we have added. All the ingredients are well roasted and the masala is awesome. Definitely give this a try. The paneer is still soft and the capsicum gives a little crunchiness. So all the textures are well combined. Definitely give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.